Honda GX690 fuel pump change. The myth about them going bad at 1,000 hours, well, it's true. Anyway, it was real simple, real easy, guys. Put a new fuel filter on. Just this right here, just got 2 bolts. Comes right out. Don't got to take nothing else off. Just pop these off. You know, put the new one on. Real simple, man. Anyway, right at 1,000 hours or about, you'll be wanting to change your fuel pump. Honda GX690 fuel pump change. Real easy. Real easy. Just wanted to add too, while I was doing the fuel pump, I took the coils off and just wire brushed them, you know, and cleaned those up too while I had the cover off. So I cleaned my coils, got a new fuel filter, new fuel pump. She started right up. Fuel filter, fuel pump, they go bad around 1,000 hours. Honda GX690s.